done, you guys gonna see it before and after. This is gonna be Cynthia's beauty studio. She's gonna be making me money, so that way I can retire early and be a stay-at-home dad. Just kidding. Shut up! Back on the grind. About to finish up this door right here. Finish up working on my wife's makeup studio, so that way she can start bringing me some money. Here's a breaker installed. Just kidding. Here you go. Turn on the breaker. Lights are on. Gotta start more lights over there. Get this place good going. Just get to work.
So we weren't worried on how perfect everything looked. We just wanted it to look good. This is my beautiful wife right there helping me sand. But we ended up spraying a knockdown texture on the ceiling, kind of hide all the imperfections and stuff a little bit better. On the walls, we just sanded everything smooth. PVA primer all the way around. We primed everything. New drywall always needs to be primed before you paint it. And we ended up using a ceiling paint as the paint for the walls and the ceiling, which was Bear ceiling paint, which is actually brighter and whiter than Sherwin-Williams super ceiling paint. I'm sorry. And there's both still good brands. Whatever you prefer better. I mean, just go Sherwin-Williams if you like Sherwin-Williams. If you like Home Depot, go Bear. But we ended up just using an epoxy on the floor. That's kind of like a paint, not really an epoxy, but it still looked pretty good. And here's the final product right here. There's my wife right there doing makeup, pursuing that American dream, baby. And I hope you guys liked the video. Feel free to comment, share, and just let me know what you guys think.